Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you why Instagram may show that not everyone can message this account error in DMs and what you can do to fix it. So, why does this message pop up? Well, if you find yourself faced with it, it's likely because the person you're trying to message has adjusted their privacy settings to block messages from users who don't follow them on Instagram. Another reason you might see this message is if you're trying to reach out to someone under 18. Instagram has put this restriction in place to keep its younger users safe. Fixing this is fairly simple. You just need to follow the person you're trying to message on Instagram. If you're unsure, just tap on that person's name at the top. Now select the profile option to visit their profile. Once you're on their profile, hit the follow button if you haven't already. Once they accept your request, that not everyone can message this account error should disappear and you will be able to message them. Note that if it's a teen account, they will also need to follow you back. So, unless they accept your request and follow you back, you won't be able to message them and keep seeing that not everyone can message this account error on Instagram. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.